How to find send friend request on Facebook. Now let's say you want to find the send friend request that you have made on your Facebook account. All you have to do is to tap on these three lines in the upper corner right here and then scroll down until you find settings and privacy right here. All you have to do is to go to your settings, scroll down until you find your information section right here. Now all you have to do is to tap on download your information and then hit continue. Once you're on Account Center, you are given an option to download or transfer information. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on your Facebook account right here. After that, all you have to do is to tap on specific types of information so that only those send friend request information will be downloaded to your phone. The next thing to do is to scroll down until you find friends right here. All you have to do is to tap on this checkbox right here and hit on next. Now hit on next again if it is on download to device and click on create files. Now you have requested to download the information regarding your send friend request on Facebook. You just have to wait for a little bit and then all you have to do is to download this specific information. So that's how to find send friend request on Facebook. Hope we helped.